Welcome back to the channel again, guys. So today we're revisiting the Vesta PDW50 self-defense pistol. So obviously this is a .50 caliber pistol with 14 joules of energy, and it does pack quite a punch if I do say so. We're going to be trying out these rounds. So this is steel wrapped in plastic. It's 4.4 milligrams in weight. It's by Kratos. It's called the Incognito round. You can hear that it's quite heavy. I'm going to be trying it against this piece of wood. It's about under a centimeter in width, and we're going to see if we can penetrate this at about 10 feet away. Always remember, guys, use some sort of protective eye care, because this stuff can come back at you and you wouldn't want to be putting out an eye mistakenly. So let's go have a quick look if we can do some damage. I'll be firing this pistol indoors, by the way. So there we go, we're about 10 feet away. Let's see what we can do. Damn, every shot penetrated. Every shot, I guarantee you, penetrated. Look at that, all gone straight through. Semi-automatic pistol as well. And that's the back. So Vesta PDW50, like I always say, highly recommended for a self-defense pistol. Does the job. Hope you liked the video, guys. Don't forget to comment any questions you have. I'm ready to answer. Also, click that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks, guys.